Everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto, because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets, so we're going to go very in-depth in this video. Trend reversals are not hard to spot. Most of the time they are as obvious as night and day. So what's the big problem then? Where does all the confusion come from? Well, it's the same thing over and over again. The problem is this: most traders make it far more complicated than it needs to be. So let's strip away some of that confusion now. Let's simplify trend reversals and take things back to basics. Less focus on things that don't really matter and more focus on making money. In this video, I will give you an easy 5-step process to identifying when a trend is reversing, when to act, and how to take maximum advantage. So, let's get started. Step 1. Find a trend to reverse. Don't get confused and bogged down in the detail. Clear all your indicators off your chart and get it nice and clean. Zoom out. If a trend jumps off the screen, it's likely that you have something to work with. Let's see this chart and ask yourself if there is a trend in place and what direction it is moving. Pretty obvious, right? Now, what about this one? Although you have to lean in closely, squint a little, and scratch your head, it's likely that there's no trend there. If there's no obvious trend on your chart, change instruments. There are thousands of markets to trade. Keep looking until you find a trend that jumps off the screen at you. Here are some examples. Step 2. Decide what trend reversal indicator you are going to use. It's time to take a closer look. We need to add some context to this blank chart. That means adding some indicators or looking for some patterns. You can spot a market trend reversal with any of the following indicators or patterns. You'll not go too far wrong using any of these.